We have an example here that we should solve for the sine, cosine, and tangent of 135 degrees. So these questions mostly they are in ELY'S and they may come in your exams, any of your exams. So when you are given this type of question, you don't type it in your calculator. You solve it. So first of all, you draw your circle like this, and then make your quadrants. So here is 0 degrees, here is 90 degrees, here is 180 degrees, here is 270 degrees, and up to here will be 360 degrees again. Are you following? So you ask yourself, 135 degrees, where will it fall? It is between 90 and 180, so it will fall in the second quadrant. So let's say this is where it falls. So from here to here is 90, then the next one is 45. So when you add it, you get 135. So let's say from here to here is 45, is 135 degrees. So here is 135 degrees. So this is how you represent your answer. Then if you are going to solve it, you now ask yourself, just like in the x and y Cartesian plane, you ask yourself, what is the angle between the line you drew where the 135 degrees is falling and then the x-axis? This is the x-axis, the horizontal line, and the vertical line is the x-axis. So you ask yourself, what is the angle between the x-axis, this line, and then where the angle is falling, this one? So here A, what is A? Are you following me? Since you know that from here to here is 180 degrees, that means all this angle from here to here is 180 degrees, and here is A and here is 135. You can do simple calculation. You say that A plus 135 is equal to 180 degrees. Are you following me? Then you make A the subject. 135, okay, 180 minus 135 will be equal to A, and A will be equal to 45 degrees. Are you following me? It will be equal to 45 degrees. So always you find the angle between where the angle is falling and the x-axis, not the y-axis. Are you following? So let's say if the angle was falling here, you will have calculated between here and then here, not between the angle where the angle is falling and the y-axis. No, not the y-axis. It's always between where the angle is falling and then the x-axis. So let's continue with the question. So we know that the value of A is 45 degrees. So solving for either sine of 135 degrees, cos of 135 degrees, tan of 135 degrees is the same as solving for the angle we found, solving for sine 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, and tan 45 degrees. From here, since I already taught you special angles, if you are someone who memorized it, you will know that sine 45 is equal to the answer. Sine 45 is equal to root 2 over 2, and then cos 45 is equal to also root 2 over 2, and tan 45 is equal to 1. Are you following? These are the answers basically, but what are the signs? Is it positive or negative? So since the 135 degrees was falling in the second quadrant, only sign will be positive. That means the sign here will be positive and the rest will be negative. Are you following? So when you type these answers, when you type the question in your calculator, when you type sine 135, you get positive root 2 on 2. Sine cos 135, you get negative root 2 on 2. Tan 135 degrees, you get negative 1. Are you following? So that's it. See you in the next topic, which will be Monday. So our next topic is going to be applications of Pythagorean theorem. That's solving ladder problems, and after that we go to angle of depression and elevation.